Hello, my friend. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm absolutely fine. Studies are going wonderful, parents are enjoying life, everything at home is best. My business is going wonderful and growing day by day. So I can't complain about life.
Which business? What business you are doing?
Honey, you don't know about it.
New.
Okay. Actually, if you want to know more about my business, we can discuss further over a next meeting. When you are free, Saturday or Sunday?
Sunday.
Morning or evening?
Morning will be fine.
We can meet at nearby coffee shop. We will have a coffee together and also I will discuss my business plan details with you.
That's wonderful.
See you soon on Sunday morning.
Sure. Looking for something new in your life.
Good morning, trendsetters. Hope you all are absolutely fine. If you want to do something extraordinary, if you want to earn financial freedom, if you want to travel the world, if you want to live your dreams, if you want to help others, if you want name, fame in your life, want to become an entrepreneur, I am very happy to announce you that we are having opportunity to all those who want to achieve something great and extraordinary in their life. Be a part of our weekend meeting or fix your appointment with us. Don't miss the opportunity. Become a trendsetter.